Okay, now in this video I will talk about the adjustment layer. Just remember that your null object will not appear in your final video. It is just a null that allows us to move the animated objects, and that's it. So let's delete the null and import some video footages. Okay, so I have imported some of the footages. So let's create a new composition from each footage. So right click on new from selection, and now new composition is created from this footage. Okay, let's right click on our composition because I want to add these two footages here. So one thing we can do, we can increase the duration, or we can drag and drop it like this and cut our top footage. I think cutting our top footage is the best option. Okay, then move it closer, move it smaller, and then drag and drop this river footage. Okay, in this way you can adjust footages in Adobe After Effects. Okay, now you can apply some effects to each footage. Okay, so if I'm going to click on the clouds and I go inside the effects and preset, and I want to apply the curve effect to this cloud. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the curves and drag and drop it to the cloud, and what it does, it allows me to do the color correction. So create 3 points like this, and you can see with the while moving these 3 points, the colors of our video is changing. Okay, so if I want to apply this curve effect to another layer, I have to apply it again and modify the curve effect according to it. Okay, let's apply the rain effect to this river. So type rain and then drag and drop it to the river, and now you can see the rain effect has been applied. You can increase the drops amount, you can increase the size of the drops, you can apply some wind, you can decrease the speed, you can make the scene depth, and you can change the color. Okay, you can change the opacity. Let's pick the white color. Okay, so in this way you can apply effects to individual layers in Adobe After Effects. You can add some grain. You can also access the effects by clicking on the effect, and from here you can see there are many effects available. There are some transitions available. These are some stylized effects. So again, I recommend you to spend some time on these effects stuff here because they are great. You can generate some lightning. Okay, I will explain all of these later. Okay, let's apply CC lens to our middle layer, and you can see this is what CC lens does. It makes your layer more immersive. You already have seen this kind of effect in montage videos. Okay, let's remove this lens effect. Okay, now there is one more thing in Adobe After Effects, which is the adjustment layer. So let's click on click on adjustment layer, and now you can see adjustment layer is created. So if I'm going to apply an effect to adjustment layer, it will be applied to all of the layers in the bottom. So I have applied the rainfall. You can see this rainfall effect is applied to the clouds, to the tree, and to the river. So this is the usage of the adjustment layer. Let's apply the tint effect. Drag and drop to the adjustment layer. You can see now everything is black and white. Okay, now expand it, go to transform, and you can change the position like this. And now you can see half of my videos are black and white and half of them are not black and white. Okay, let's create a mask on adjustment layer like this. Okay, and then create a duplicate of this adjustment layer and then move the mouse little bit to here. Okay, and in the middle one delete the tint effect and apply the curve effect to it, and then change the curve effect like this. And now you can see the result. Okay, you can give the mask some feathers like this and increase the feather of the mask of this layer also. And now you can see the result. And that's it for this video.